Thank you for your interest in Jefferson Institute for Bioprocessing. Our upcoming offering, Introduction to Analytical Techniques for Characterization of Monoclonal Antibodies, addresses the challenges in characterizing and monitoring protein biopharmaceuticals.
The complexities of monoclonal antibodies far exceed that of small molecule drugs. Structural characteristics of these proteins and their stabilities need to be determined during discovery, development, and release. This 3-day course provides hands-on practical and classroom training on the basic analytical techniques used in biopharma. These include gel electrophoresis, chromatographic techniques, and immunoassays.
If you would like more information, please visit our website or contact our Director of Corporate Engagement. Hope to see you soon.